If you are Filipino, you eat rice 3 times a day. Wow. Oh my God, I love this dinuguan. Thank you so much. I've been to Dumaguete 6 times. Wow, Dumaguete. You are Filipino already. Balik dyan. Araw-araw lalo kang gumaganda. Well, thank you. I like the feeling that it's so yummy. Ito ang dulo. No. This is intestine. Pork intestine, pig intestine. Pig blood also. Schedule for today. I will do live. You are making my tummy grumble. No breakfast yet, only coffee. Well, you go get your... Go in the kitchen and find delicious food there. No, you better try to go to the a small store for food. You know, the stand stall. Like I brought it here. You can choose a lot of food. And what makes you what makes you feel yummy, you try it. It's just cheap, 20 pesos. Your cents only. I have pancit. This is I really like. I really like this. This one. Oh! Yeah, the fried chicken, right? You have a very different type of breakfast in Turkey. We eat olive cheese, honey, butter for breakfast, drink tea. Oh, hope there is some left. There is some fried chicken. There is fried chicken now there, guys. The fried chicken. There's a lot of food. Do you want me to bring there? You guys, do you want me to bring in the shop? Do you want to see where I brought this and some delicious food? Are you in Philippines? Yes, I am here in Philippines. Balot dyan. Wow. Absolutely yummy. And it is yummy. I can't stop eating. It is like, I love this. Oh, good guys. Can I fry some fried chicken real good? Maybe I will cook some for you. Wow! I like the crispy fried chicken. I see you are not eating like Filipino. What do you mean? Niel, I'm not eating like a Filipino. I got you, babe. Thank you.